क्या मजा आ रहा है. What a beauty of life in the morning. Running and keeping the diseases away. Keeping the diseases away. You cannot afford to be at home, to be in your quilt or in your room in the morning. That's crime. That is injustice to your body. That is treacherous. That is terrorism. That is corruption with your body. So, come out, boys and girls, Bobby and Babbo, and Fenaji. Come out of your rooms. Come out of your bedroom in the morning and go running. Just see how many people in the morning in this forest area, the forest near my home. What a beauty of life. What a beautiful thing. What a beautiful feeling. So, the 7 hours, 6 to 7 hours sleep during night is enough. Beyond that, it's crime. It's wrong. It's bad. So keep running and keep running. Just see, this increases the blood flow in the whole of your body. And of course, it increases the heart rate, increases the capacity of your lungs. Those lungs cannot be replaced. They usually fail. They failed for Jayalalitha, they failed for all other people. And with running, walking, and daily physical activity, you can keep them going till your last breath. So keep smiling, keep happy, go out in the morning, take hot water, take half a teaspoonful of turmeric with the anti-cancer agent, and then go out. Don't wait. Don't want to wait people to tell you. Keep smiling, Bobby and Babu and Sannaji and all of us. God bless you. God bless you. I'm enjoying every bit of it. I'm enjoying my deep fresh air breaths. So do you. Enjoy.